Welcome! Let's learn basic English nouns. This is John. We will follow John through a simple day and learn 4 groups of words: clothing, body, animals, and everyday things. For each word, listen, repeat, and hear a short example sentence.
Okay, time to start my day.
First, clothing. Clothing. I buy clothing at the store. Shirt. He is wearing a shirt. Pants. She wears pants. Dress. She has a blue dress. Shoes. My shoes are new. Hat. He wears a hat. John puts on a hat before he leaves. Jacket. I wear a jacket in winter. Now John is on the move, so let's learn body words. Hid. My head hurts. John touches his head as he walks. Hand. Raise your hand. At the bus stop, John raises his hand. Arm. He moves his arm. John stretches his arm while he waits. Leg. My leg is strong. John steps up and keeps walking. I see with my eye. John looks at a number on a sign. Ear. I hear with my ear. John hears a sound nearby. Nose. My nose is small. John smells fresh bread from a bakery. Mouth. Open your mouth. John opens his mouth to say hello. Next, John passes the park and sees animals. Dog. The dog is friendly. John smiles at the dog. Cat. The cat is sleeping. John walks quietly past the cat. Bird. The bird can fly. John looks up and watches the bird. Fish. The fish swims. John sees a fish in the water. Horse. The horse runs fast. John sees a picture of a horse running. Cow. The cow eats grass. John sees a cow on a sign and remembers the word. After the park, John thinks about everyday nouns. Nam. My name is John. John looks at his ID card. Number. Write the number. John writes a number on a form. Money. I need money. John uses money to buy a snack. Work. I go to work every day. John arrives at work. Job. She has a new job. A coworker is happy about a new job. Car. The car is fast. John watches a car pass on the street. Bus. I take the bus. John takes the bus home. Train. The train is long. John sees a long train on the way. Book. I read a book. John reads a book during the ride. Bag. My bag is heavy. John carries his bag home. Great job! Today you learned many important English nouns. We learned clothing words: clothing, shirt, pants, dress, shoes, hat, and jacket. We learned body words: head, hand, arm, leg, eye, ear, nose, and mouth. We learned animal words: dog, cat, bird, fish, horse, and cow. We learned everyday words: name, number, money, work, job, car, bus, train, book, and bag. Now repeat a few words with me. Shirt. He is wearing a shirt. Head. My head hurts. Dog. The dog is friendly. Book. I read a book. Keep practicing every day and say the words out loud. If you enjoyed this lesson, like and subscribe for more English videos. See you next time. John waves goodbye at the end of his day.